Okay, guys, so we got this from a local shop over here in our town. So we had to wait for like almost an hour for like a line.
So we went to GameStop first and we were in line. There was like a couple, 20 people in front of us or more?
Like at least 30.
Yeah, in front of us.
It was a lot of people.
Yeah, so once they opened, we went inside and we still had a form in line. And they were only I don't know how many of the binder. They only had the binder ones, and then the rest of the other ones that they had, they were just pre-orders.
Yeah, it was only mostly pre-orders.
So right when we left GameStop, we went to should I say the name or no?
Yeah.
So right after we left GameStop, we went to Game Grid, and then we had a form a line, and then they had a lot of the
like of the new stuff. Like they had everything, but we were only able to get just one per person. Like one ETB, one poster collection, one binder collection, and 1 3 blister. So we took Jeremiah so we could get 3. Look at this Flareon right here. Look at that one right there. So the main goal for this set, I'm gonna tell you guys the most expensive one is right here. It's really hard to see. The one right here. The Umbreon. That one's the one that we're trying to get right now. I think it's almost $1,000 already or over.
This one, the Sylveon, is really pretty.
Oh yeah, that one's pretty nice. Alright, so we could go.
Espion as well, that one's really pretty.
Alright, we could go with the packs now.
Even the Eevee one right here.
The regular Eevee?
Yeah, well, it's not really, it's just from the EX.
Oh yeah, but it's still Eevee, the original one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what the heck? Look at the dice. The dice, they made it look like brownish for like Eevee.
Like browns?
That's
like
nice.
The color, huh?
Yeah. So we bought sleeves, but we don't know where we left them at. So we're gonna be using these sleeves for this video. Look at that.
They're so pretty, the sleeves.
Okay. So we're gonna open this Eevee card. I wonder how much is this Eevee card. It's probably already expensive. Okay. Look at this, guys.
It's Eevee sleeping. And she has like a Pikachu plushie.
Mm-hmm. It's pretty nice. The energy.
And then of course the packs.
Alright, guys. So what we know is that this set is pretty hard to get pulls. So hopefully we get at least one. A good one.
Do you want to split it or?
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
I am gonna put this in the hard sleeve. You can open the first pack, man.
Okay.
Alright, let's do this. I wanna get something good.
Okay. My first pack.
Crispin, Shaman. Hopefully, you get something good. I'm excited. Oh, look, Leafeon. You can see that one. All right, guys. Just to let you guys know, we do still have one sealed that we could open up in the video. Sorry, guys. Look at this. All right, this is our second pack from the ETB. Hopefully, we get something good. Code card. That's good, huh? Larvitar, Honor, Professor Churros, Shaman. Oh, damn. Sorry, guys. Roaring Moon. Third pack. Dipline. Do you really think we're not gonna get nothing?
I don't know, to be honest. I want us to get something at least.
Because I seen some videos that with ETBs, some people don't even get one hit. Alright, guys. Let's do this. Brozong, Ogre's Mask, Slow King. This is our style. Flareon. Glaceon. Look at this. Look at this one though. This one is a ball. A Pokeball. Look at this. You
The
can see the
details
Pokeball.
on the picture.
Yeah, look at that. Nice. I wonder where's our sleeves went. Because we did buy some yesterday. We can't find them.
You misplaced them.
That's a fourth pack. Honor, Slow King. That one's the same one as the other one, but it's not a Pokeball. So the other one is like a semi-hit kinda. Ursaluna. No. We're striking out. How many more packs? We're already
But
halfway
this one
through.
has a Pokeball as
Oh
well.
yeah, you can see that one up. Alright guys. Prismatic evolutions, let's go. Give us something good. Please. Applin, Goldeen, Crispin, Brozong, Techno Radar. Oh no. We're striking out still. Okay. It's all good. I want to get something good. Scream Chow. Oh no, you got one.
Oh, look at that.
Sparkling crystal. Ooh, you got a nice EV. Nice. Cool. Hopefully that's not only hit. Hopefully. Imagine it is. Court card. Okay, guys. Let's try this again. Larry Skill. Black Belts Training. Great Tusk. Look at this one. It's not a Master Ball, but it's a Pokeball. It's a regular. Look at that. And then another hitter. Look at this. Nice.
I like it when the cards come with the stars.
I know.
And they shine against the light.
I'm gonna show this one. Look at that, guys. You can see the Pokeball in the bottom.
Our last pack.
Do you want to open the 3 blister or?
We can open now.
Alright, we could open the 3 blister.
I'm gonna be opening our last pack from the ETB.
Okay. Just go for it.
Lavatar. Pandora.
Sneasel. Carmen. Oh no. Okay, so I'm gonna bring a 3 blister just to hope that we get something good. Alright, guys. It's right here. Look at this. Three packs. Alright. So it's opened. Look at this. It comes with this card already. This card, I don't know from what set it is, but I think it's from like a different set. Alright, you could open the first pack.
The one in the middle.
Prismatic Evolution. The most expensive set this year. And probably the only expensive set this year. Riolu.
That one.
Ogre's Mask. I think I see something in the back, hopefully. You do know?
Right there.
Wait, which one is it? Which one? Oh, do it. Oh, which one's that one? Torpegos? I wonder how much is that one. We got one of the golden ones. Nice. Yeah, do it more right there.
Oh, yeah, right there.
Nice. Pretty good. Code card. See that one up. And put it in a hard sleeve. Okay, that's pretty nice. Pretty lit. Okay. Second pack from the 3 blister pack. So maybe it's 3 blister packs over ETBs for hits. Maybe. Bunnery. Arbitar. Rescue Board. Look, Pikachu. Nice. So it probably is 3 blisters over ETBs for hits. That's what people say, even for other sets, but if it's true or not. I don't know if this thing could prove it.
Okay, last pack.
Go for it.
Okay, EV. Right here.
Yeah, that's good. Bunnery.
I see something.
Yeah. Hopefully. Is that the one or something else?
No. What's the one with the Pokeball?
Yeah, it's that one. Oh yeah, that was it. I thought it was like something else.
Alright.
Alright guys, so we're gonna show you guys our regular EVs that we got. They're not really hits, they're just regular EVs.
Okay.
We have Dochan. Well, this is a Pokeball. So we could probably count this as a hit or a half hit.
Just
Look at this one. This one is from the 3 blister pack. The promo card with it.
Evian.
Leafeon, Glaceon, Flareon, and regular Eevee.
The EX that we got. Well, this one's the tool, no?
Yeah, a Pokemon tool.
Pikachu. Eevee.
Hydro Apple. Hydro Apple.
The caramel apple. Just kidding. I don't know what it's called. It's called that, no?
No, I don't know. And then is this card in the other box? Is this card in this box for the Japanese set? Are we able to put it in here? I wonder if we can. But this is from the ETB. It comes in every single ETB. But this is already probably like up in the price. Look at this gold card that we got. One of the gold cards. I wonder how many are they?
Well, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
And if you guys like, our next video is probably gonna be the binder opening.
Yeah, I think we're gonna do that one with Jeremiah because he wants to open some EV cards. Alright guys, thank you guys, appreciate it.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Bye.